Laniahan again here, and I just want to show you how to make fried eggs using Saladmaster. So for today, I'm going to use 10-inch gourmet skillet, or you can use any other cookware that you wish. Now, the first thing that we need to do is heat up the cookware on medium heat. After a few minutes, we have to test the cookware. So we do this water test. If you see the water is dancing, meaning it's ready. Now it's time to put some oil spray. Now when you see that the color of the oil is changing, getting brown, meaning your cookware is very hot. So you have to turn it down a bit. Okay? So I put it at number 3. Now it's time to put our egg. You can actually put some salt, a little bit of salt on the top if you want to. 2 ways to do it. You can put the cover of your 11-inch skillet so that it's cooked evenly all throughout the egg, or you can just leave it open like that. And just do this on the edges of the egg. And look, very simple and easy. So if you cover it, you don't need to flip it over. But now, because it's uncovered, we have to flip it over. After 1 to 2 minutes, our egg is ready. Now I want to do another one. This time you don't need to put oil spray. You can just add the egg. And this time, let's cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. And it's up to you if you want to flip it over. For me, I prefer it like this. Okay, now let's show you how to make scrambled egg. All you need to do is beat 2 to 3 eggs in a bowl, season with salt, pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of milk, and then just put it in our cookware. So this is where we cook the fried egg, and now we're going to do the scrambled egg. So if you did not fry the egg initially, then you have to put oil spray. So you have to follow the initial steps we did a while ago. Okay, now let me show you how to make poached eggs. What you need to do is just heat up the cookware at medium heat. So I'm using my 1.5 quart roaster, but you can use any other small cookwares that you have. Of course, we have to test the water. And once it's ready, just put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. After putting the water, just break the egg there. Cover it. And once it's clicking, turn it to low for about 2 to 3 minutes. And this is your poached egg. Now, let's make a perfectly boiled egg. Using just a wet paper towel in our 1.5 quart roaster, it can fit 7 to 8 eggs. Put the cover and leave it there on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending how you want your boiled egg to be. So soak the egg in cold water. And this is our perfectly boiled egg. There you go! 5 different ways to cook our eggs using Saladmaster. If you are having problem and the eggs are sticking or you're burning the cookware or the egg, the only problem is heat. So learn how to know your stove, medium, and then when it's so hot, turn it down to low a bit and then put the egg. In time, you will find out which one is low and medium in your stove. All the best! Thanks for watching! And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!